The subject is Computer Architecture and Organization, Unit number 2nd, Programming the Basic Computer. This is lecture number 1. Myself, Mani Singhal, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science and Information Technology, Arya College of Engineering and IT. Content, first of all, introduction, machine language, assembly language. The list of instruction or statement that direct the computer hardware to perform a specific task is called a program. We discuss the basic introduction programming basic computer. Second point is there are many programming language, but the computer basically understand programs that are given in binary zeros and ones form. This implies that all other programs should be translated to binary before they can be executed by the computer. Classification of the program. First, binary code. There are instruction and data that are in zeros and ones. They are stored in the computer's main memory as they do not need any uh, conversions. Second, octal hexadecimal code. These are codes or instructions that are in octal or hexadecimal representation. Third, symbolic code. This type of program use symbols. It means numbers, letters and special characters in place of binary code. Fourth, high-level programming language. These are codes that are directed at solving problem and not the details of computer hardware behavior. For example, Java, C Sharp, Pascal, etc. They need special software called interpreter or compiler to convert them into binary code. Machine language. These are programs that are written in binary and stored directly in memory. The octal or hexadecimal that can be easily converted to binary can also be referred to as machine language. Assembly language. What is assembly language? This use symbol to write instruction. This is also a low level language because of the one-to-one relationship between symbolic instruction and its binary equivalent. The symbols are referred to as mnemonic. As assembler is a special software that converts assembly language program into binary language program. Basic symbol of assembly language. These are the tables and different symbol represent in this table. First column is symbol, second example, third explain. For example and symbol and example and a explain perform and logic operation on a with value of AC. AC means accumulator. Second add a for example add the value of variable a to AC and carry it to E flip flop. लास्ट में अपन भी डिस्क्राइब करते हैं halt HLT halt computer. Mnemonics of assembly language. This is the mnemonics input, example input, explanation, get information from some input device, output, example out, put information to some output device. Last, move AB, transfer the value of register B to register A. Pseudo instruction. This is the assembler directive. These are false instructions that do not have equivalent binary form but serve various functions. They do not refer to an operation that will be performed by the program during execution. Rather, it is a message to the assembler to help the assembler in the assembly process. ORGT and T is the memory location where the first instruction of the program must be stored, and specify the end of the program. DECT, T is a decimal number that needs to be converted into binary by the assembler. HEXT, T is a hexadecimal number that needs to be converted into its equivalent binary using 4 bits. Rules of the assembly language. Each line of the code must be divided into 4 fields: label, instruction, operand, comment. Label. This is a 1, 2, 3 alphanumeric characters that specifies the location of the instruction in memory. It should be terminated with a comma to enable the assembler recognize it as a label. The first character should be an alphabet, that the rest either alphabets or numbers. A line with org or and should be have a label. Rules of the assembly language. A symbolic address in the instruction field should specify the memory location of an operand. This symbolic address must appear again as a label later in the program instruction field. This specifies a mnemonics instruction. Comment explains what each line of code does for easy understanding and explanation. Each comment must be preceded by. This helps the assembler recognize the beginning of a program. It can be left empty. Thank you.